You wait for ages for an EV cars and coffee, and then two come along at the same time. Well, almost. Here are the details. First up is the EV meet at Circle K on the M6 just outside Athlone, which is being held on Saturday, the 26th of March at 1 o'clock. There is a free Circle K fast charge point there, as well as 4 Ionity charge points if you got money to burn and have a car that has CCS charging. Please note that the Circle K charge point was reported as not working on the 12th of March, so you may want to check PlugShare first if you're going to be relying on using it. Then on the 2nd of April, the Ballinora Tidy Towns Sustainability Team is organizing an electric cars and coffee in Ballinora, County Cork, in the car park of the GAA pitch. There are no local charge points, but tea and coffee and home baking will be provided. This event starts at 10:30 and ends at 1. These events are free and open to anyone, so you're welcome even if you don't drive an electric vehicle yet. Bye for now.